Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how we can filter data in Microsoft Excel on the basis of value in a particular column and then create a new Excel workbook for each filtered value. All this process will be completely automated with the help of VBA, that is Visual Basic for Applications. And in this process, we will take the help of Microsoft Copilot to generate the VBA code for us. So let's dive in. So here I am in Microsoft Copilot. Let us give the prompt to this Copilot and ask it to generate the VBA code for us. So the prompt will be like this. I have to filter Excel data on the basis of value in a particular column and then create a new Excel workbook for each filtered value. Generate the VBA code for this for me. Hit enter. So here is the reply to this prompt. Sure, I can help you with that. Here is a VBA code snippet that filters data in a column and creates a separate workbook for each unique value in that column. So this is the code. So we just have to copy this code and paste it in VBA and then execute it. The rest of the task will be done by Microsoft VBA automatically. So now let's come to the sample Excel file which we have to filter and create multiple Excel workbooks from. So here is the sample Excel workbook. Let's suppose we have to create a new Excel workbook for each value in the country column. That is, for USA we have to create a separate Excel workbook. For Canada we have to create a separate Excel workbook, and so on and so forth. So what we have to do is we have to open the VBA editor first. The VBA editor can be opened by pressing Alt and F11 on the keyboard. Alt F11 and this will open your VBA editor. Alternatively, you can open the VBA editor using the developer tab in the menu bar here in the top, and if it isn't visible here in this menu bar, you can make it visible by going to the file menu, then options, and then under the customize ribbon you have to enable the developer tab from here. Okay, so now we will go to the developer tab and click on Visual Basic. This will open the VBA editor. Then we will go here and click on new workbook, this workbook, and right click here and insert a module. After that, what we have to do is we have to go again to the Copilot and copy the VBA code. Let's copy it from here and then paste the VBA code here. Control V. So after we paste the code in the VBA editor, we have to make a couple of changes before executing the code. The first change we have to make is in this line. As you can see here in the comment of this code, change sheet 1 to your sheet name. So let's change this value to the name of our sheet, that is sales. And here again in the next line, change 1 to the column number you want to filter. So we have to filter on the basis of column E, that is 5th column. So let's change this to 5. And here also auto filter field equal to 1. Let's change this also to 5. Then go here to the top and click on run and run sub or user form. Oops, this is not working, so there is some issue with the code. Now let's go again to Copilot and give a more specific prompt so that our code is working perfectly fine. Alright, so here again I am in Microsoft Copilot, and this time I have issued a more specific code. The code is like this. I have to filter data in Microsoft Excel on the basis of values in the country column, that is column E. I have to create a new Excel workbook for each unique value in the country column. The name of the new Excel workbook should be the name of the unique value in the country column. Generate the VBA code for me. And this time, Microsoft Copilot generates a more precise code, and hopefully this should work. So let us copy the code here from Microsoft Copilot. Copy it. Then go again to VBA and paste the code. And this time let's make a couple of changes here. The first change we have to make is here, that is change sheet 1 to the name of the worksheet, that is sales, and country column, this time it is column A, automatically given generated by Microsoft Copilot, so we don't need to change that. Then let us see if we have to make changes anywhere else. So I don't think there is any more changes to make, so let us this time go here and click on run and run sub or user form and see what happens. So here is the magic. Workbooks created successfully. Okay, so now let's go to documents and check whether it has these workbooks have been created. Yes, here we have 3 new Excel workbooks, UK, Canada and USA. So let's open any one of them. Let's open this Canada workbook and check the values here. So as you can see here, you have the filtered value for Canada, and it is in a new workbook named Canada, and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Keep supporting, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.